So stick around as I show you everything that happened on this particular trade right here. All right, let's get started right now. So you're going to realize that we took this trade on Friday in the afternoon. It was a nice rally based drop supply zone with a break of structure to the downside. We also had equal highs which were left behind right here. And once the market came to this area, we were able to take our trade. And then soon after we took our trade, the market went back and actually took us out, as you can see from here. So we were able to send a re-entry on EURUSD. This time around, it was 4 pips stop loss and for the 6 pips target. Then the market started to go in our direction. We were able to go break even at this level. Then the market continued to push in our direction, and that's how we were able to catch all this move right here on EURUSD. And soon after hitting our target, the market pushed all the way to the upside. That shows that you are supposed to be greedy. Once the market comes to your area, get out. So we secured about a 1 to 11 risk reward ratio on this trade and everything. Let me just show you what was happening on the higher time frame. So if you go to the 4-hour, 2-hour time frame, for example, let's go to the 4-hour time frame. You're going to realize that this market has been going to the downside, and the trend is very obvious, right? So we see the market pushing to the downside for a long time. So what do? You continue to actually zoom in and see what is happening on the lower time frame. Remember, price action is fractal. So what did I see on the 30 minutes time frame that intrigued me? So I saw the market having taken out the low of the Asian session. So I assume the market is going to come back and probably take out the high, right? Or come somewhere where the high is. So you can see that right now we had a nice rally base drop and equal highs right there, and then we had the break of structure by this. So basically I just waited for the market to come and take out this liquidity, which it did. So from here, if you go to the 5 minutes time frame, you can see how price reacted when it came to that particular area. So you see nice reaction right there, price closing after this rejection right here. We had price closing below that, and that was my trigger to enter. And once I entered, the market beautifully decided to drop and all the way to our target right here. It was a beautiful quick 1 to 10 risk to 1 to 11 risk reward ratio. As you can see, this trade literally took how many hours? Let me see. So from entry to then we got out, so it was around 13 hours, and then by almost like 2 hours later, the market was all the way to take profit and everything. So this was a really beautiful trade, and it was actually a good way of ending a Friday, right? So it was a really amazing trade, guys. So that's what happened on this particular trade, guys. And if you need more information, the first link is in the description. Check it out. All right, so guys, I really hope that you have a productive weekend. Prepare for next week. Let's get it right here, right now. Let's lock in. Check the first link in the description if you're interested in joining us and all that. All right, you guys, take care of yourselves. Until next time, goodbye.